Alright guys, so it's my pleasure to welcome you guys back to our YouTube Success Academy course. And in this particular topic, we are going to talk more extensively about YouTube Short hack. Why do you need to create YouTube Short, and what are the effects and what are the benefits you are going to derive if you eventually create YouTube Store? So that is YouTube Short. So that is what I'm going to explain to you guys as far as this particular YouTube Short hack is concerned. So with that being said, so let's go straight to the tutorial and see what are the things you need to know as far as YouTube Short is concerned, and how you can use YouTube Short to drive organic traffic to that can get you more view, more subscriber, and more revenue to your YouTube channel in no time. So with that being said, so let's get started. So I will head over to my we have able to discuss much in the past as far as the YouTube Success Academy is concerned. All right, so at this point here, it is my pleasure again to welcome you guys to Introduction to YouTube Short. Okay, now what YouTube Shorts really means, and why do you need to create YouTube Short to grow your channel or to get more subscriber, get more view, and get more revenue. Now YouTube Short so just like what you see right here, YouTube Short videos are bit-sized video clip that anyone can create as long as you have a YouTube channel or you have a YouTube account. You can create a YouTube Short, and YouTube Short is it's introduced by YouTube in 2021, which simply means that it's not quite long when this particular features was released by YouTube. And as far as YouTube Short is concerned, the maximum recording limit for YouTube Short is 60 seconds. So this simply means that you cannot record a video beyond 60 seconds for YouTube Short. So that is just a basic introduction to YouTube Short. Then as far as YouTube Short is concerned, what are the things you can still do with YouTube Short? So just like normal video length that have comments, you can also include comment section. You can include like section. You can include dislike section. There is also share button, and there is also a subscribe to your channel when you eventually create a YouTube Short. Okay, so one more thing about YouTube Short is that YouTube Short is highly recommend. So it's highly recommend for you guys to add as an extra additional source of income to your channel. What do I really mean by this is that it is not advisable to have a to start your channel by short. It is only advisable to use this opportunity of YouTube Short to drive traffic, to drive organic traffic to your YouTube channel, so that you get more view, more subscriber, and more watch hour. But if you would like to create a separate channel for short, you have to bear in mind that you need to have a 10 million view and 1,000 subscriber before you can be monetized. But nevertheless, if you have a main channel and the main channel is monetized, you can also use this feature of monetization to monetize whatever short you create. And one very good thing about short is that short was just launched some years 1 year ago, which means that you still have a potential to drive more traffic to your channel, so people can watch more of your video, subscribe to your channel, and then you grow your revenue as far as short is concerned. So it is highly recommended that whatever number of video you have on your channel right now, make sure as much as possible to understand which video is actually grow better in your channel. Then from there you can create a short video from that particular video, or you create another new topic in a short form, just upload it. There is a way to do that. I'm going to show you in the next practical video on how you can create short video and how you can use this particular short video, how you can rank it and use it to drive more traffic to your channel. Thereby you get more view and more subscribers. So this is just an introduction about short as far as short features is concerned. Now let's talk more about short as far as this is concerned. Who can create short? So this simply means this is a anybody can create a YouTube Short, provided that you have a YouTube channel, which I've already explained in the past. What is the short video length? The maximum is 60 seconds, just like what you see right here. And can I monetize YouTube Short? It is 100% sure that you can monetize your YouTube Short. Can I create a separate account for YouTube Short? Okay, so my recommendation for this is that the best way to enjoy YouTube Short traffic is to do short based on your main YouTube channel content, and always refer people to check out details about video on your main channel. With this logic, you are getting and drive an organic traffic to your channel page that will attract more views, more subscribers, likes and comments, and more revenue at the likes. So that is the best advantages of using YouTube Short to grow your channel. What is the best gadget using for creating YouTube Short? Phone is highly recommended to create a YouTube Short. Whether you are using iPhone or you are using Android phone, you are good to go. All you have to do is to make sure you record your phone in a vertical format, and when you are recording, the video should not be more than 60 seconds. Okay, yeah, this is what I have for you guys as far as introduction to YouTube Short is concerned, in by which you guys can use to generate more traffic to your channel and get more views, more subscribers, and generate more revenue as far as this is concerned. In the next video, I'm going to take you guys through how you can upload YouTube Short, how you can rank your YouTube Short to go viral, and now you get more view, more subscriber, and more YouTube revenue from short and from your normal lengthy YouTube video in the next video. Thanks guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.